very much.
God, I don't know where he is, but no, if you pull up there, they'll sort you out.
Thank you very much. Good morning.
Morning.
Morning, but your QR code?
Apparently I don't need one.
No, it's fine.
No, you don't.
AdamC. You don't need
Round that way.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Cheers.
Right. Adam!
How you doing?
All right, mate.
Thanks for bringing it. Yeah, as I say, it's a bit next to the Mustang there.
All right.
Will be, you know that you've won something. We're not going to tell you what.
I had one of these, if not two of these, or three of these.
Announced at 2 o'clock, including the car of the show, club of the show, treat stand of the show, best wrap, best bodywork, and detailer's choice as well. Our show and sign today is sponsored by Bristol Detailing Supplies. You'll find them opposite the stage, and you'll be able to get all your detailing supplies over there.
Now, you see, I've been debating whether I should get a wing for my XKR.
Ah, I would recommend it.
Yeah? What is it? Where does that one come from?
I made it.
Oh,
Sorry.
you did?
I bought the hardware from China, and the Chinese hardware is going a bit rotten already.
Oh,
So I'm going to make some hardware of my own. But no, I made the wing.
nice one.
Yeah.
I will do it then. I'll do it for mine.
They do sell them. It's easy enough to skin a foam wing. That's all I
Yeah,
did.
yeah.
I made it, I carved out a foam and skinned it.
Genius.
So yeah, it's not hard.
Have a great day.
Yeah, and you got it.
Let's go and have a quick look around the paddock, shall we? See what we can find. We'll start with this old 105V Anglia. Absolutely awesome Anglia. Giving us
Very, very quick little car. Jack Thorough, very, very clean as well on the Gottis. I haven't seen those in
Austin
a
running
very long
hard.
time either. And
Jaguar,
very, very cool.
okay.
James Ross then with a Fiesta.
Is it an R?
Nice looking Fiesta.
Says it is. Same colour as mine.
There is a phase where they were absolutely everywhere, but now it's hard to see a really, really nicely done one.
Yeah, same as my car.
Love this car. And very, very clean for an E36 again.
Well, I've been having a wander around. I just got back to the car and look what's on my car.
Chances are you have won something, won't tell you what, but we'll get you and your cars over to the stage just before 2
I think I got an invitation for the parade lap.
And we'll do that there. We want as many people on the stage as
I'll see you there.
We got Dave Bastin. Come back in, get some tyres swapped out. These are all later on. And you got a bag full of goodies brought to us by Bristol Detailing Supplies, just behind you. In the vicinity, please bring your car to the stage ASAP.